I don't need to learn anything.
Man, you're dismissed.
What's your favorite color?
You're dismissed.
Dismissed. You're dismissed.
You're dismissed.
You're dismissed.
Is there anything else you
I can do
need?
this all day.
Is there anything? I know, because you're a clown.
Yeah. Oh, I'm a clown.
Yeah.
Like, how I'm a clown.
Yeah.
You're so
who do you work for?
Who
do you work for?
You're sitting out
Who do
here
you
with
work
a
for?
funny little hat.
Who do you work
saying,
for?
I'm a clown.
Who do you work for?
Nice hat, dude.
Thank you. Who do you work for?
Be on your YouTube channel, right?
It could be for anything I
He's
decide
gonna
to.
get
It's
mad,
my personal reason.
He's gonna get hits. That's cap, yo.
You guys still know about the mission statement?
What's that?
The mission statement. Do you guys still remember it?
I'm just hanging out here with you, bud.
I know that. But if you're here, I'm going to ask you questions.
Okay, you can ask questions.
Yep. So the mission statement. How do you feel about that?
Princetown, New York. On August 1st, 2022, New York State Audit was exercising his right to film at the Princetown Town Hall. Watch how he is immediately rudely approached by Jeff O'Rourke, an employee who obviously doesn't like people that exercise their right to film. Nobody ever taught this man that the worst way to stop somebody from filming is to walk up to their camera.
So we'll take a look around. Take a look at some of the state trooper vehicles. Oh, look at the shotgun. Crazy. Looks like they can hit the car wash a little bit. I'm not sure if these are, I think these are unmarked vehicles, I believe.
What the fuck you doing? Can I help you?
Excuse me, did you just say what the fuck you doing?
Yeah, I did.
And who are you?
What? I am Jeff O'Rourke, investigator of the state police. Want to know why you're videotaping my car?
Your car? Is this, you mind giving me some space, sir? What's your badge number?
Shield 3415.
You mind keeping 6 feet?
Why?
Because
Can't be all that worried about COVID. You ain't got a mask on.
that's what we're worried about, or are you just trying to intimidate me?
I'm not trying to intimidate you. I want to know why somebody's walking around videotaping a car.
Well, I don't have to answer any questions, especially if you're going to come out like that.
All right.
Don't give this
All
guy
right.
a day.
All right.
Can I ask who you are?
Yeah, investigator Morgan.
Morgan?
Can I ask what your
Badge number?
It's Shield 2470.
Can I ask?
Shield 2470?
Yep.
Thank you for identifying yourself.
Can I ask who you are?
Please stay where?
I said you can stay over there.
Can I
What-
ask?
So now you're restricting my movement.
I'm not restricting anything.
You're
Does it
telling me
look
to
like
stay
I'm
right here.
restricting anything?
This is all public access.
Oh, it's public
What's
access.
your?
Is it not?
Parking lot is state police barracks, right?
The parking lot is open to the public though.
Can I ask-
Can I not come in here?
I didn't say that, did
All
I?
right then, so I should be able to walk in the parking lot.
Can I ask? Can I ask what your name is?
You can ask me whatever you want, but with you don't have any professionalism. You came out here talking about what the fuck are you doing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know what you- I
So
know
you
what
can
you
get the
had in your
fuck out my face. How about that?
Catch me outside. How about that?
Well, so I'll give you my name and badge number. You can't even give me your name.
I don't work for the public. I don't have to identify myself.
All right.
No, you should care.
Why should I care?
Because if you want my ID or my name, you need reasonable articulable suspicion.
No, I don't care.
Okay.
I don't care what your name is.
I
I'm
know,
just asking
no.
You, 'cause
You
asked
obviously
me.
don't care about anything.
I asked
Technically,
you asked me.
You know why? Because you came out here rude.
Oh,
Rude.
It's not rude to shove a camera in somebody's face, though.
I'm shoving a dude. You came up to me.
So?
You questioned me.
You
okay,
came here.
and my camera was up in your face,
You came here.
and I have a right to.
Yeah, you do. And I got the
Okay.
right to ask your name.
You can ask me whatever you want, but you don't have the right to sit there and talk
What's your
to
favorite
citizens
color?
like that. You understand?
favorite color?
You understand?
I don't need to learn anything.
Man, you're dismissed.
What's your favorite color?
You're
I'm
dismissed.
You're dismissed.
You're dismissed.
You're dismissed.
Is there anything
I
else
can
you
do this
need?
all day.
Is there anything? I know, because you're a clown.
Yeah. Oh, I'm a clown.
Yeah.
You're sitting
So
out
so
here-
so who do you
you're
work for?
You're
Who
sitting
do you
out
work
here-
for?
You're sitting out
Who do
here
you
with
work
a
for?
funny little hat.
Who do you work
saying,
for?
I'm a clown.
Who do you work for?
Nice hat, dude.
Thank you. Who do you work
It's gonna
for?
be on your YouTube channel, right?
It could be for anything I
He's
decide
gonna
to.
get
It's my
mad,
it's
yeah.
my personal reason.
He's gonna get hits. That's cap, yo.
Cap, yo.
Is that what they say? That cap.
I don't know. It depends.
cap.
Is that what the clowns say?
Yeah. I don't know. Apparently, clowns
Okay.
walking around with cameras with funny hats
Oh,
on.
that's what they do, huh?
Yeah,
That's
what
what
I
clowns
think they
do?
That's what I think they do.
Interesting. Oh, that's what you
That's what I
think.
it is.
Okay.
That is
You
nice.
don't got nothing better to do than harass citizens? Because right now you're harassing
I
me.
kind of feel like you're harassing me.
I'm harassing you when you approach me.
You came to my
Oh,
place
you're a
of employment.
tyrant, bro. So
Yeah, my
I'll go
place-
inside to your place of employment. And
Go ahead.
what's the
Keep the door
problem?
open. Door
And
open. Go ahead.
and which one's your car?
Ah.
This one right here. Yeah, this has got to be your car.
Yep, this one is,
Yeah, because you came out here unprofessional, swearing at a citizen,
Yep.
and you on the clock, right?
That's true. Absolutely.
On the clock too.
8 to 4.
Yeah, 8 to
I'll be here
4.
all day.
So what you got hiding here? That you want to hide something? That you're worried that you come up to me talking about what the fuck are you doing?
What if I did that to your car? If I was doing that to your car, would you come up?
There's no expectation of privacy in public. Remember that. You should know that.
So I can
You
walk
should
up-
know that.
Where's your car? I'm gonna walk up and videotape your car.
Is your inspection up to date?
I don't know. What is it? Oh, yeah, it is good. Just barely.
Yeah, it looks it.
Oh, yeah. I better get on that.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah. Probably should.
Especially if it's August. You gotta renew that this month, huh?
No. The state takes care
Oh,
of it.
okay. Oh, the state takes care of it.
Oh, you gotta do it.
Or the public takes care of it. Which one? Is this personal?
Technically.
Is this your personal vehicle?
No, it's a state car.
Oh, it's a state. So yeah, so we pay for that.
Yeah.
So yeah,
I
we
do
pay
too.
for that.
I do too. I pay
No, you're
taxes
just
too.
a welfare recipient.
I'm a welfare.
That's all you
recipient.
are, really.
You had a problem with welfare?
No, not at all.
Why do you hate welfare?
Who said I hate anything? Don't put words in my mouth.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you.
You say I'm a welfare.
You say you work, but technically you're just collecting welfare checks. That's all you're doing, and there ain't nothing wrong with that.
Police investigator's paycheck is
From the taxpayers, right?
check. That's a welfare.
I'm just saying.
I pay my own tax. All right. Well, you have fun walking around.
Yeah, you too, man.
I'm sure you'll get bored.
Yeah.
in about
Oh,
30
actually,
minutes.
can I speak to your supervisor?
Sure.
Yeah, have him come out, please.
Go push the button right there.
What's the supervisor's name?
Carlos Delgado.
Delgado?
So there you have it. He was immediately treated with disrespect by investigator Jeff O'Rourke. If you would like to call and redress your grievances, I'll leave the number below as well as in the description. You guys feel free to call. But don't leave yet, this video gets much better.
This is a call from the ADT located at SP Princetown.
Yeah, hello. Can I speak to Carlos Delgado, please?
What's that?
I would like to speak to Carlos Delgado about two state troopers that came out here cursing at me.
Where are you now?
I'm outside the door.
At the Princetown station?
I am. Hello?
State Police Dispatcher Plaza.
This is a call from the ADT.
Yes, you didn't actually tell me what was going on. Am I waiting for somebody? Like, cause I'm outside and it is hot outside.
Are you there, sir?
Of course I'm here. I just told you.
There's an automated message when the phone picks up. So you're talking and there's a machine over you. I can't hear you.
I don't know what to tell you then. Can you please have someone come out? I need a state trooper to come outside.
You're at the SP Princetown building, right? On Route 7 in Dwaynesburg?
Yes.
Okay, somebody was on their way outside.
I hope so. Thank you. May I ask who I'm speaking to?
Who am I speaking to?
But you're the one that's assisting me, and I want to know who's assisting me.
It's Dispatcher Kayazo, like I said when I answered.
Well, I didn't catch that. No need to be rude. So, you know, like you said, there's interference, so I might not have heard you. So, Kayaso?
Outside.
Okay, thank you.
So who am I talking to?
That is irrelevant, but thank you for your time. I'll be waiting for them.
New York State Audit takes a walk around the building while he waits. As he's walking, he's approached by two separate police vehicles.
What? Are you good? Are you good? And I'm asking you. Why are you asking me questions for? Identify yourself, please. Can you identify yourself, please?
Yeah, Deputy Jones. How you doing?
Deputy Jones?
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm good.
I'm all right. Are you good?
I'm good.
Awesome.
I'm just wondering why you're walking back up to the station, that's all. So,
You could wonder all you want, I guess. I can't hold that against you, right?
no, you can't.
What's your badge number?
281.
281? Deputy Jones.
That's me.
Awesome. So are you the under deputy?
I'm a deputy sheriff.
Okay, you're so everybody's called deputy sheriff.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. All right. I thought deputy was for the person who was under
No,
the sheriff.
that'd be like the under sheriff.
Right. No, I knew
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Okay, awesome.
So,
Other than that,
deputies are all, we're the sheriff, so,
how are you today?
I can't complain, man. Gorgeous day out. How you doing?
Not bad.
What's up?
Not bad.
Yeah.
So, is there a reason why you calling out to me, man?
Yeah, because I saw you walking back around their station there, that's all. You know, I just thought it was a little weird.
Weird.
So, yeah.
Is that a crime or something, or?
No, but I have the right to inquire, so I'm
Okay.
inquiring, that's
All right.
all. You know what I mean?
So, oh, hold on a second.
Yeah,
Let's
absolutely.
put that on pause, because it looks like you got someone else here.
Yeah.
Deputy Jones. Hello, how are you? K9 unit, K904. Can you identify yourself, please?
You're all set?
Yeah, one second. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Can you identify yourself? A member of the public is asking you. It's your policy to identify yourself.
You're trespassing, aren't you?
No, not at all.
You're not trespassing?
So, you want to identify yourself, deputy?
No, you talk to this. Right here is my name.
But you came here.
So you're
Right
right
here
here.
is that's not professional.
That's my name,
I'm
sir.
not a good reader. Can you pronounce it for me?
Riel. Okay.
Riel, badge number?
You talk to him.
Badge number?
362, it's right here.
Okay, it's right here. No professionalism at all, huh?
Yeah,
You don't want to
very-
verbalize
very
it?
professional.
No,
He's
no, not at
talking
all.
to you.
Not at all.
He's
Yeah,
talking to
okay, that's fine.
Hey, buddy. Here, just do me a favor. Just step away from my car like that, please.
Can you?
Please step away from
Whoa!
my car like that.
Don't touch me ever again.
Step away from
Don't
my car like
touch-
that, then, okay?
So, I can walk to your car.
No, yeah, that's
This
fine.
is
but
paid
you're
by
not
the
walking-
taxpayers.
You're not walking up to my driver's side door like that.
I can
Ain't
walk to
happening.
any part of the
You're
vehicle.
not doing it, bro.
Do
So,
not put your hands on me
man,
again.
Step away from the car. Then.
Don't put your hands on me again. You understand
I'm sorry,
that,
what are
right?
you saying, John?
You are not allowed to put your hands on people. You do not have my consent.
Yeah.
Let's go and have a conversation. Because it looked like somebody came out. Yeah, look at them. So they're shaking hands. Yeah, I think they're talking about me. Something about a photo. We all set? Okay. Yo, who do I talk to? Who's your sheriff? D'Agostino? Yep. All right, I'm gonna talk to him about you putting your hands on me. Absolutely. Clown. Excuse me, sir. No, not you, sir. Sir, are you the sergeant, lieutenant?
No, I'm a sergeant.
Sergeant, can I speak to you for a minute, please?
Yeah.
It's about the conduct of this gentleman right over here. I'm over here filming, which I have a right to do,
Yes, you
and
do.
he comes up to me.
Hey, stop about me.
I am. You see, look at the unprofessionalism. Can you identify yourself, please,
Yeah,
Sarge?
Sergeant Marshall.
Sergeant, I'm sorry.
Marshall.
Mansham.
Yep.
Okay, do you have a badge number?
Yeah, 5456.
5456? Okay, so do you have like a business card or something like that? Because I want to file a formal complaint. That gentleman, what is his name again?
That's Investigator O'Rourke.
O'Roy?
Yep.
O'Rory? Okay,
We're,
well,
so
he's
you
the
wanna
one that
file-
comes
you
out.
wanna file a complaint?
Yes, I do, because he comes out and he curses at me. Okay, which is completely unprofessional. All right, he talk. Excuse me, I am speaking. Stop being rude. Come on, can you control him, please?
Talk to me.
Can you please control him?
Do you want to do?
Do you hear him? I'm trying to make a complaint and he's telling you to ignore me. Do you hear that, right? Do you hear that, Sarge? Eventually he'll get a job. Do you hear this? This is unacceptable, all right? This is clearly discrimination for what? I don't know. Why don't you help me figure it out? Is it because I'm filming? Is it because I'm colored or something like that? For him to come up to me and swear at me and talk down to me? Mock my attire? Is that okay, Sarge? Because he's representing you guys. Okay?
You wanna do a formal complaint?
I would
Let's
like.
start the process.
I would like to do that, yes.
So from here, they go inside to do a formal complaint. The video is much longer, but I'm only going to cut it down into portions for you guys. If you guys want to watch this full interaction, go over to New York State Audit, subscribe, watch this full video, and let him know I sent you over. Let's help get him to 2,000 subscribers.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm okay. Can you identify yourself, please?
Yeah, my name's Trooper White.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Trooper White.
You as well.
Can I get your badge number, please?
It's 2951.
Or shield number 2951?
Yep.
2951. JG White. Okay. How can I help you?
I'm just here.
Okay. Well, I don't need any assistance.
Okay.
Sergeant M, because I can't remember how he pronounces his name, is helping me. So
Okay.
not sure why you're here. Do you guys still know about the mission statement?
What's that?
The mission statement. Do you guys still remember it?
I'm just hanging out here with you, bud.
I know that.
Okay.
But if you're here, I'm going to ask you questions.
Okay, you can ask questions.
Yep. So the mission statement. How do you feel about that? The one that's right there. A member of the public is talking to you.
Yep.
Okay. So do not be rude, because see right there it says respect to ensure everyone receives respectful and dedicated service. I would like for you to service me and communicate with me because I'm asking you questions, okay? So, are you gonna honor your oath?
You said you were all set.
Are you gonna honor your oath?
I'm here with my camera, you're here with yours. Okay?
Yep, but I'm not actually making my way to come to you to make sure you're good. Okay, you're doing that to me. I didn't ask for your help. I didn't call you. I was speaking to him, actually.
This is the form you can mail in. On the back, I've got the internet website you can go to. Go complaints and submit it by email.
Okay, awesome. Also, that poster is another thing. Okay, I saw that. Thank you very much.
Just rather have you have something in
So,
your hands.
yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
When a citizen comes in here, you know, they need to ring the bell and get assistance and stuff like that. Is there an officer that comes out and just shadows them every time they come in here to seek services?
Sometimes, yeah. I mean, the officer's got to come and take the complaint.
Oh, okay.
Come
So,
make the report.
all right. No, that's different. If somebody came behind the counter, that'd be different. You know, I wasn't speaking through the glass kind of thing. I'm here. He comes out his way. I'm just curious on why. You know, am I a threat to you guys or something, or like what's going on? Or, you know, because.
Well, just come back to give me a hand. So.
Okay. All right.
He's out here talking.
So, do you have any business cards to the superintendent or anything like that?
We're not allowed to have business cards.
You're not.
At this level, no,
Okay.
we're not. That's the way it is.
Hey, you know, if I knew, I would argue that, but I don't. It is easily to file a FOIA request for policy and stuff like that. So it's no big deal. I'm just trying to inquire the information.
All right, thanks.
Awesome.
I got work to do.
Oh, okay.
Alright everybody, and that's going to do it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and like I said earlier, go subscribe to New York State Audit and let them know I sent you over. Be sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and remember, if you want to pick up a camera and go record in public places, feel free to do it. It's your right.
San Joaquin. Gotta watch 'em. We know the way that you coppin'. We don't give no option. Camera gon' shoot in 9 minutes. Keep that rolling, no stopping. They don't know now, we gon' teach them everything. By my country, everything. This my country, every day. False conviction, you got a power addiction. We on the road, me and the bros. Telling the story so everyone know. Send them to hell, little Nicky. San Joaquin, shout out the group. We gon' show the world, don't miss it. My whole team on a mission. My eyes wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars. Ooh, excuse me, Mr. Officer. Why you wanna pull me over for? This